Okay, guys, West Coast has been having record breaking heat waves. Record breaking heat waves over in California, Arizona. I think it's like around 18.2 million people are under this heat waves, and a lot of it was that happened. A lot of the heat happened today. It actually extend as far as Washington State and also Oregon. Now, the reason why I'm bringing attention to this, guys, is because this is something that's going to be happening for quite a while. For I would say 200 years, we're going to be experiencing this condition. This is what's going to bring the famine, the serious famine that's ahead. We're going to have problem. Yeah, well, it's going to damage agriculture. Heat like this, it's not good, especially for crops. So we're gonna have some difficult time with our food supply in the future, and it's something that's gonna pretty much last for quite a while. This is something that's cyclical. Heat waves and earthquakes. It's happening all over the West Coast. Northern California is seeing a swarm of earthquake, and I see more earthquake being triggered off the coast of Oregon and also over on Vancouver Island, Canada. Now, guys, there is a swarm of quake happening in South Carolina. So in the past 3 days, they probably have 6 to 7 earthquake, and it's something that's happening periodically. And these are quakes that you're actually going to start seeing in Quebec, Montreal, Canada, Ottawa, New York, over there in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. The New Madrid also is seeing some seismic activity, and the Caribbean between Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico there is a swarm of earthquake that's happening. The biggest was a 4.3, and also Central America saw a 6.0. So once again, the really really big quakes you're gonna see over in Turkey, and also Japan, Papua New Guinea, Tonga, and also Vanuatu Islands. So this is where you're gonna see really the majority of the big, but really really big ones, the big quakes. Again in Turkey, Myanmar, Japan, Tonga, Fiji, Vanuatu, and the Vanuatu Islands. Now, the Caribbean, you'll still see a continuous swarm of earthquake happening over there between Punta Cana and Puerto Rico in the coming days. And again, Central America is seeing some big seismic activity also. But keep your eyes on the West Coast, New Madrid fault line, and the eastern part of the North American continent. I told you guys South America, South Carolina. Sorry, South Carolina. Just lost a train of thought there. Is seeing some quakes, a lot of seismic activity. And again, a heat wave is on the West Coast. It's not good. There's 18.2 million people that's under it. And it's something that's going to be continuing for the next couple of days. This is something that's going to be extended. This cycle is something that we're going to be seeing more of in the coming future, and it's not good for our food supply chain. This is going to cause some serious disturbance in the food supply chain. So that's why I always encourage people learn to be self-sufficient, especially learn to grow your own food. This is very very important things you want to know for the coming future. And again, West Coast, you guys are always going through it. I know you guys are under heat waves. Stay alert, stay aware. Once again, Arizona is a place that's going to be getting a lot of it, and also California. This heat waves, sorry, go all the way up to Oregon, and again Washington State. So again, heat waves and earthquakes, man, and they're coming. West Coast, San Andreas fault line, Northern California. You've seen some quakes. New Madrid is getting activated with some quakes also, and the eastern part of the North American continent. Big quakes for the Caribbean between Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. Also, the British Virgin Islands will see some quake, and closest Martinique. Central America is getting some big quakes also, and Japan, really really big quakes will hit Japan, um, Turkey, Fiji, Tonga, and Vanuatu Islands. All right. Once again, guys, keep you aware as best I possibly can I'm just doing a quick video here, and I hope this information helps someone. And again, guys, for my friends over in the West Coast, heat waves is coming your way, so stay hydrated and stay aware.